computer drinking. Woohoo! It came, my computer drinking under mail today. Bought it from Newegg and it's here. Oh, let me show you what I have right now. This is my current setup. Couple of really old monitors. So an older, very old HP, another Samsung, and Iron Man, who supervises my activities. The current setup is that big monitor and two little monitors. That's actually a TV. And there's a third one that I use for work sometimes. And I bought this monitor because I've been really dying for a monitor that's a curved monitor. And when I found it on Newegg, it said that it's a newer model that came out in January. So here it is, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So let's open up this bad boy. I got this here knife that I'm gonna use to open it. So one thing, I didn't find any unboxing videos, but I did find some complaints online from people who said that it didn't have a manual on how to assemble it or whatever. So we'll see about all that crap. So the base has these like little pins, so you can see here, and then there is like a magnifying glass looking thingy here. So we'll see what that's for. I'll put this stuff here. Protection condom thing. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, time to take the jacket off. Let's take a look at this. Uh-oh, something's fell out. Oh god, something fell out. There goes that. So one cool thing about this monitor is that it was a lot cheaper than normal monitors that are very similar to it, like the kind that are ultra wide, as they call it, ultra wide. And this is an ultra wide quad high definition computer monitor. So the other ones I found online were pretty pricey. They started anywhere from $600 to about $1,000, and so they look really nice. And I'm usually, oh god, there she goes. Well, that lasted all of 10 minutes. Damn it. Alright, I think it's okay. Are you okay? I think it's okay. Wow, this is a big ass monitor. Oh man. Oh yeah. Okay, since everything fell out of the freaking box, let me just fish it out here. But basically you have like a little cover for the back of the monitor. Here is the power cable, I believe. Yeah, power cable. And this is oh, that's nice. It has a display port cable. The second part of the power supply. So I guess it doesn't have an internal power supply. It has this adapter that powers it, and then there's a separate power supply, it seems. So we got the screws in there. Seems to me like the only thing left to do is to put the computer on the base. Oh god! Oh, there she goes. Oh man, that's pretty, man. Okay, so here's the back of it. It's got like some weird cool thing for the hardware. And the front looks pretty darn good. It says Westinghouse. I'm usually a fanboy. I'm like, yeah, Sony or Samsung, whatever. But this time around, I was like, I don't care, man. Just gonna buy some cheap stuff. This is what that was. And we'll see. Well, these ain't working. Nice. Okay, so I don't know how to put this shit together. Oh, okay, I get it. Look, so this thing moves up and down like this. Okay, I've given up on trying to figure it out, so I'm gonna look at the instructions because I don't want to break this thing. Register product, blah 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 blah, safety and some other shit, adjustment, something or another, nothing. Okay, I see what they meant. They don't have assembly instructions for this thing. Oh, I figured it out. So stupid. Turns out there is this little leg here that you have to press upwards and then the base goes into place. So anyway, here's the computer monitor. This thing is huge. I love it. It's cool, and it goes up and down. So it goes, that's the lowest, and then it's curved, so super curved, as you can see here. Get a big old curve. Okay, let's plug in this bad boy and see what it looks like plugged in. Let's see this thing in. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Power button. Maybe not. Oh, there it is. Little cool W came up. And that's it. Found this cool little feature. It projects this cool little W. And it's just got a E button here. So E must mean like emblem or something. But it's easy to turn on and off. So just push it on, push it off. So that's pretty easy. Okay, so still haven't figured out how to turn on the stupid LEDs in the back. It's supposed to have some LEDs, and I pressed some buttons, but nothing seemed to happen. So I'm wondering if maybe I need to have an input connected to it before I can do anything. But I'll look it up online. Here are the monitors I'm replacing. The old HP one. They are very old. These are like at least 7 years old, and they work fine. They work great for me so far. So. No big deal, but I wanted something bigger and wider, so let me take those down. I'll show you side by side what they're like. Okay, so here's a comparison of the two monitors. It's so tiny. Side by side. That's the old one, and that's the new one. So this guy is gonna go up there somehow. Okay, so moment of truth. Got it all plugged in. So I did not measure at all before I bought this. I mean, I had a general idea, but I'm not gonna know if it's gonna fit or not. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, so I wanna lower this all the way to the bottom. And let's see. Get this guy up here. So far, so good. Is it gonna make it? Yay! It made it! Oh my gosh, that is close. That is close. So, I have an IKEA desk. So it's got this space area for like your keyboard and stuff. And then it's got this second ledge part here for like a monitor or whatever. So let's see what we got. So if I moved it up just a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Alright, time to turn it on, see if it turns on. No? Maybe? There's the W. Westinghouse. You can do it. Whoa! This is cool. My display settings. Let's see what this is showing. Oh snap! Look how much bigger it looks in the display settings. So I want it right below my number 2 monitor. This is saying it's got 3440 by 1440. So there's half a screen, there's another one. Oh, cool! It's what I've always wanted. It's like 2 monitors, but it's just one. So let's go here and let's say I want to watch a video there, and let's say I want to gonna do settings for whatever reason, and then let's say I also wanted to see my folders here. So it's like 3 windows, and let's say that I wanted Windows E. That gives me another Explorer window. So another Explorer window, no drama here. That's like 5 freaking windows open, and I still got space here for like a skinny window of some type. And I'm watching a video of the YouTubes about some random people beating each other up. Pretty freaking cool. Whoa, look at that menu. That's a pretty menu. It's a big old monitor, man. I have a big old head. Look how big this monitor is next to my head. It's big, man. It has a cool menu. Check this menu out. That's badass. It's like a green little stuff. So let's see. So it says game mode, blah blah blah, freeze. I don't know. This thing is supposed to have some LEDs, but I don't see them coming on. I don't know. Oh snap! Okay, there they are. They're really pretty, but they're not bright at all. I'm gonna turn off, but I'll show them to you because I'm cool like that. So let me just make sure I don't drop this. So if you look at the back, it's got these cool little designs, and they're lighting up different colors. So if you're standing right behind it, you'll be able to see really cool LED lights on them. But unless you're standing right behind it, and the wall is gonna get some really pretty light shows. Very satisfied. This is a good purchase. This was about $350-ish, around $400. And to be honest, I expected it to be crappier, but it's pretty solid, man. I like the features I've seen so far. I got a bunch of icons on my top screen, so I'm gonna move them down here because that's where I keep them. They're little, but whatever, man. That's what glasses are for, man. For blind ass people like me. We finally downloaded a somewhat decent game here. Got Star Wars Fallen Jedi Order. Wait, what? What the fuck's the name of this game? I don't know. Finally downloaded a good game. This is a Star Wars, pretty new game, 2019. Fallen Jedi or some crap like that. Seems pretty cool. Seems like a pretty cool game. The graphics, I used the maximum resolution on the screen, and it was laggy as all hell. And so I put a smaller resolution so you can see this still has some you can see the edges of the window here. So when I move it around, you'll see that I got my icons there on one side and the icons on the other side. But yeah, overall pretty good graphics and looks pretty decent. My gaming card is crap, so it's a GTX 650 Nvidia. It's old, but anyway, pretty cool game. Looks great. Wish I could use a bigger screen, but I'll buy an expensive GPU and put it on. But so far, it looks amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the review for it. I love it. It's great. Good price, about $400. Not a bad deal. Bought it on Newegg, and it got here like 3 days later. So that was really fast, really good. So far, really good resolution. All the icons look pretty sharp and stuff. It's got sort of like a dull screen, so it doesn't reflecting lights and all that. Overall, pretty good. I'll try it out, see how it works, and we'll go from there, man.
Love it. Peace out.